The tool we're using is called Pinokio. Think of it like a one-click app store for AI models. It handles all the installation, the dependencies, everything. You don't need to touch the command line if you don't want to. And the model we're running is Ltx2.3, one of the most efficient open source video generation models out there right now. It's specifically designed to run on lower VRAM cards, which makes it perfect for a 370 or similar. So let's just go ahead and set this up. Alright, first, what you want to do is head over to pinokio.computer and download the installer for your system. There's a Windows and a Mac version. Go ahead and install it like any normal app. Once it opens, you'll see this app library. It's kind of like a Steam for AI tools. You can browse what's available, and what we want is LTX video. Just search for it right here and hit install. Actually, it's called 8gb, so search for that. Alright, after it's done, open it up. And keep in mind, the first time you generate a video, it will download the model, which will take some time. So here we've got the interface. It's a pretty clean web UI running locally on your machine. We've got a text prompt box, some settings for resolution and frame count, and a generate button. That's basically it. Up here, you want to select LTX2, then the 2.3 22B model, and the distilled version. Okay, now, let me type in a prompt. I'll go with something like a cinematic shot of a foggy mountain road at sunrise, slow camera pan, golden light. Now, one tip for LTX specifically, shorter prompts actually tend to work better. You don't need a wall of text. Be visual, be specific about movement and lighting, and it'll do its thing. I'm keeping the resolution at 720p for now because on a 3070, that's the sweet spot for speed without running out of VRAM. Let's hit generate and watch what happens. Okay, so that took about 5 to 6 minutes on my machine for a 10-second video, and here's what we got. Pretty wild, right? That was completely generated on this machine. No internet, no API key, nothing, just local compute. Now let me show you a couple more. I've been generating these in the background, and you can see the quality actually varies a lot depending on your prompt. Motion tends to be smoother when you describe movement explicitly, so things like slow pan, camera drifts left, subject walks forward, those really help. A few things I've learned that'll save you time. 1. Keep your resolution low when you're just testing a prompt. 540p, short clip. Get the vibe right first, then scale up. 2. LTX. 2. 3. Love cinematic language. Words like golden hour, shallow depth of field, handheld camera. They actually move the needle. 3. If you're getting VRAM errors, lower the frame count first. Even a 2-3 second clip at 24 fps can look great if the motion is right. And 4, Pinokio lets you run multiple models. So once you've got your video, you could pipe it through something like an upscaler or even do audio stuff. The whole pipeline can live locally. And that's really it. Free, local, no ongoing costs, just the GPU you probably already own. Local AI is moving incredibly fast, and honestly, a 3070 is more capable than most people think. If you want to go deeper, better prompts, longer clips, image to video, let me know in the comments and I'll do a follow-up. If this helped you out, a like goes a long way, and subscribe if you want more of this stuff. I'll catch you in the next one.